Cardano is up 14% in the last day and a half, and this is pretty big for Cardano because it's actually in the same position that Ethereum was in. Ethereum has a level of resistance it's testing, has an uptrending level of support, so it's in an ascending triangle pattern. So we saw the same thing happening on Cardano that we saw on Ethereum. And by the way, this is what I wanted to see on Ethereum. Unfortunately, we didn't see this happen on Ethereum. We saw a pretty big breakout with, by the way, check it, volume. Volume. This is a good breakout. This is good. Yeah, thank you. Yes, if you're in Cardano, be excited. This is a good thing. Ethereum didn't do this. Why? Because Ethereum has rallied too far too quick and it needs to consolidate and it ain't doing it. Can't keep it up anymore. Cardano, on the other hand, has rallied quite a bit, but not quite as much as Ethereum. And by the way, Cardano is a lot more undervalued right now than Ethereum is, in my humble opinion. Ethereum is definitely worth $3,000. Don't get me wrong, but I think Cardano is worth $2 or $3 right now, and it is definitely going to be going there. Not definitely, again, we don't talk indefinites, but I think it's going to be going there in the next couple of next several months. Ethereum, notice how we had this pattern right here, this green, red, green formation right here. See the exact same thing on Cardano, but guess what? Where Ethereum tried to rally and failed, Cardano rallied hard. And yes, today's candlestick is not done yet, but we are currently seeing a big rally on Ethereum, and there's, on Cardano, and there's a good possibility that we could stay up here. Looking at our technicals, there are several things to bring to your attention. Number one, we broke local resistance at $1.50 today. This was the resistance that we were sitting under, and it was holding us down. But today, we managed to break bullish out of it. This means that Cardano is now in the same position that Bitcoin is in. Bitcoin broke local resistance at $41,300 that was set back on June the 15th, and it was very good for it. Cardano now broke resistance that it had set on the 4th of July. Great day, by the way. And it has broken bullish out of it, meaning that it is now setting higher highs, same way that Bitcoin is. I think that Cardano is undervalued compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I think that it is starting to move in the right direction. By the way, I have a strong feeling that the altcoins are actually going to be the ones that drive this rally. Yeah, Bitcoin's doing great, but Ethereum's doing better, and Cardano is going crazy lately. So I think that the altcoins are going to drive this resurgence of the bull market. I think we're going to $50,000 on Bitcoin and $3,500 on Ethereum in the next few weeks. I think it needs to correct and consolidate first, but I think Cardano and Ethereum might be two of the big leaders here. Yeah. This is a big, big setup for Cardano. Tim, what are your thoughts?
So I said this earlier in the stream, so those who caught it, I'm saying it again. Talking with Jebb this morning, this is actually one of the reasons why I kind of went low in my prediction. When I said 150, I chickened out because I originally wanted to say 160. Chickened out because I was like, oh, that's a little too much. I'm still the highest, so I'm still very happy with this. However, if you look at the three of them, like if you compare Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Cardano has been lagging while Bitcoin and Ethereum were making their moves. It was kind of one of those things, when is Cardano going to make their move? Another interesting thing, and Jebb, you can just tell me if this is absolutely stupid, doesn't have anything to do with anything at all, but I found it interesting. If you look at where Bitcoin is sitting at right now compared to its all-time high, it's sitting about 28% lower. If you look at Ethereum, it's sitting about 25% lower. Yesterday, Cardano was sitting pretty darn close to like 40-something, and now it's sitting closer to 35. I think Cardano has some room to catch back up to be around the same level because, like I said before, they aren't identical, but they're similar. It's almost like this slingshot or rubber band effect to where one will move and then the other one will catch up.
Yeah, absolutely.
What I'm kind of thinking happened was Bitcoin and Ethereum did their thing while Cardano kind of stayed low, and now it's going to shoot up, at least match them, if not, like Jebb just said, have a higher potential than even those two.